So this is my office currently. It's a little bit clean, a little bit, hey buddy, a little bit chaos. The closet is complete crap. So this is today's project. Okay, so as you can tell, not a whole ton really changed, but it feels so much better in here. I finally have space on my desk. I don't have old popcorn and old water bottles and just junk everywhere. I do honestly need to figure out what to do with my paintings, if I'm gonna hang them up or if I'm gonna just put them in storage. So that part's still a little iffy down there, but look at this. I have seating over here. Probably can't even see me. I have room, I have a cute little painting that I totally match, and yeah, now let's check out the closet. Okay, so this half of the closet are things that I'm selling, so they're kind of just hanging out right here for right now. We unfortunately don't have a storage shed, so this is the sales side, and it is a tight fit, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Gotta make that money. Then this side is the arts and crafts side. I got my sewing machine, I got my painting supplies, my sewing supplies, my guitar, and then up here is my green screen. So a lot better than it was. So hopefully you appreciate the organization as much as I do. I know for me it feels a whole lot better to be sitting at a clean desk. But if you like these kind of videos, I'm gonna be doing these and cooking videos and just kind of overall happy, healthy lifestyle videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy.